marinig yung journey ninyo getting to this point. Let's start with Matt. Matt, you're the sole new guy in this team. Is this your first PBA 3x3 championship?
Yes.
Wow, your first PBA 3x3 championship. Can you talk about the whole journey for you playing alongside such championship caliber 3x3 player?
Well, I started my PBA GX3 with Terra Firma, and then I hopped over to Platinum, and then I got hurt. So I'm here a year and 7 months after, and honestly, it's a great feeling because I always wanted to reach this goal, to be a league champion. But it's the group of guys I'm around. These three on the court, and our teammates off the court, they always continue to talk to me how it is to be a champion. They continue to teach me how their system is and what to do and stuff. So, I'm just trying to help them out because, they've already done it so many times. So I'm just trying to help them, get more of it,
Oh, this is the start of so many more wins, Matt. But any greeting?
I just want to thank God first and foremost for blessing everyone here, and Lord, or I was about and just my mom, dad, back home, my brother, my wife, and my son most definitely, but we always play this game for God, So we thank you for the fans, for TNT that always support us, and the management, and my teammates as well.
Thank you and congratulations, Matt. Punta tayo sa'yo, Ping. You stepped up big time dito sa leg na ito. Can you talk about the mentality there, especially, playing without Amon Vosotros and Lervin Flores in this leg?
It's not, hindi to tungkol about sa akin. It's for everybody. Someone, pag kailangan may mag-step up, so nandito yung bawat isa namin, sinusuportahan namin yung bawat isa. And yung pag-step up ko siguro, thank God din kasi hindi ko rin mamalayan bakit nakakashoot ako, tinamaan ako ng swerte. And gusto kong i-credit sa mga teammates ko.
Sino gusto mong pasalamatan?
Unang-una, pinapasalamatan ko yung wife ko, yung parents ko, na nagtutulong-tulong kami ako sa may baby ko. Siyempre para makapag-practice ako na maayos. So, binabati ko yung wife ko si Alex Miñano, and my mom sa Olonga po, si Mama Gina, and my brother and sister sa Olonga po, and mga anak ko, sila Likisha, sila Shanti, sila Kurt, si Ninay, and si Sam, and sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa PBA 3x3 and sa Token Text.
I'm sure they're all very proud of you, Ping. Pero punta naman tayo sa'yo, Brian. Nasaan ka? Ayan, ito. Okay, na-mention ni Coach Mau na actually hindi niya ina-expect masyado na for the team to go so far in your very first leg in this conference. But can you talk about how it feels na makuha itong first leg win after manalo yung TNT in the past 4 conferences?
Well, just like any other championship na ipanalo namin, ganun pa rin yung na-feel namin. Parang grabe yung joyful feeling talaga sa puso namin kasi yung preparation pa lang, yung tinabaho talaga namin day by day, yung mga mistakes namin, pinocorrect namin day in, day out talaga. So once na makita mo na nagbunga lahat ng effort mo, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. And I wanna thank my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, for that, for really being faithful, na kapag magtrabaho ka, magiging faithful ka lang sa trabaho mo, then you will be rewarded 100%. And ano po may question?
Sino pa gusto mong pasalamatan, Brian?
Yes, yung family ko sa Davao, Mendoza family, mama ko, si Pet, si Potpot, si Brian, and of course yung fiancé ko, si Patricia, andito, tsaka si Allison, Quezon family, and sa tito ko, si Lolo Al, get well soon.
Thank you and congratulations, Brian. Move on tayo sa huling member ng ating championship team. Ayan, ito. Samboy, looking ahead, ano ang pwede nating ma-expect sa TNT? What can we look out for pagdating sa next few legs?
Ganun po rin, kagaya nung ginawa namin ngayon, expect nyo na every leg, every game, talagang maglalaro kami ng go hard.
Sino gusto mong pasalamatan?
Thank you sa family ko, sa nanay, tatay, kay ate, kay Yen, kila Inang, kila Kuya Salva, sila Brian, yung Team Jaguars, and of course, syempre yung girlfriend ko si Lovely. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations again, gentlemen. We're very excited to see kung ano pang pwedeng gawin ng TNT Triple Giga. But for now, we are turning it over to the panel.
Congratulations to TNT Triple Giga, as we want to remind you